Namaste to all you cosmic souls. Welcome to your intuitive tarot reading today. Remember that this is a general reading, so take only what resonates. All my readings are timeless, so whenever you come upon this reading, maybe there is a message here in this reading for you. We first have the Knight of Wands reversed, basically talking about how maybe a few parts of yourself, your spiritual growth, is kind of in need of some guidance and some help at this present point of time. You need to continue working on where you are at presently. We do have the Lovers next, so maybe a lot of you are thinking about your significant other, your future, where this is going. We also have the King of Wands reversed. So yes, there is a spiritual, there is a question in your spiritual growth. You may be feeling imbalanced today, imbalanced in your inner self, imbalanced in the way that you are moving, imbalanced in your inner self rather than your physical self. Things may be going by, but you may not exactly be in pace with it mentally and spiritually, because you're going through a lot of other things at this point of time that are not in line with your inner self, which is why you're not able to work on your inner self while these other things are in your mind. So first, attend to what is in your mind, attend to these thoughts, attend to these problems if you see them as problems. Release any ego barriers, release any self-ridden thoughts, thoughts that are not allowing you to move forward as being in yourself, you know. Like, suppose you've put on some weight during quarantine, and if that is not allowing you to move forward with the way you are, or how you are being treated, how you feel other people may think about this about you, then maybe it's time to let that thought process go. Okay, that is one thing. Another thing is that you're too held up with certain situations which you need to let go of. You already know what that is about. You already know what exactly this is talking about, and if you don't, it will come up. If this doesn't resonate with you, again, don't take it. If it does resonate with you, you may know what I am talking about here. And with your soulmate or twin flame journey at this point of time, you may be feeling a little bit of emotion, more soul growth, a more spiritual and a stronger bond with this other person that you have been with for a while. Or you may be feeling like somebody is coming to you, towards you, and you may be feeling this extremely strongly. We do have the Wheel of Fortune, so this could also do with a completion. Some of you may be thinking of marriage or an engagement of sorts, a future commitment also for some of you. There is, of course, something with regards to your financial stability, your thoughts about money, and your thoughts about, do I have enough? Do I need more? And there are certain blockages within you that you need to release at this present moment of time. Blockages that are more within you rather than what can actually come to you if you expand your range of thought, if you expand the way you think, if you open your mind to new thoughts and new things that can come towards you. Because right now there is a very strong blockage in your mind's eye, in the way you speak, in the way you think. All of this is creating a blockage to move forward, which is why you feel like there's not enough coming in, whether it is love or money. Those are the only two things I can think of that are coming to me right now. So if you feel like it is something else, it could be something else as well. Okay, so this is only because of the blockage in your mind. You have certain thoughts, conditioned thoughts about money and love, and that is why you feel like they are not coming in as you wish they would. That's because you are blocked there. You feel like that is how much you should have, whereas you can have much more if you actually genuinely allow yourself to have more. All right, I also feel like the moon can aid you in this. We do have a moonstone sphere over there, and we have two rose quartz over here, which is talking about a new beginning in love. As far as I can see, we have the Knight of Cups reversed. So yes, there is a cup to be filled, but there is something that you need to complete by yourself. You need to, just a little bit of extra work every day will give you that. If you feel like you need some rest, a few power naps through the day in between your work, take it. If you feel like there is something that you feel out of balance, write it down or speak it. See what exactly it is that you need to do for yourself to go forward and become better. When I say become better, I mean heal. Okay, well, let's see. I'm getting thoughts. Yes, this is what I was getting. I feel like some of y'all are very judgmental about, not judgmental, but you feel like you are being judged by your friends about the way you are, about the way you act, about the way you think, about the way you present yourself, and there's a lot of judgment about that, around that. I also feel like this could be you. You feel like you are being judged, and that's why everything they say becomes a judgment for you. Whereas it may be some kind of a judgment, but it's not harming you in any way. Okay? You need to change the way you think. You need to open your mind's eye. You need to open your perceptions, the level of perceptions that you have, because there is a lot that could actually come out of this, come about this, come for you forward, that you are not able to see right now because your thoughts are quite closed. You may feel like you are a very open-minded person. Everybody does have some kind of judgment, even though they are open-minded. And when you realize that, you will begin to open your mind to certain things. And I feel like, yes, you are an amazing person just the way you are. Of course, there are some things that you have to release to move forward for your personal growth. This is not going to help anybody else but yourself. So this is, whatever I am saying is for your personal growth, for your personal well-being, and for the things that can genuinely help you in life for your future life. Okay, I'm going to pick 2 answer cards for you. Let's see what those are and why they are coming forward for you today. We have the 2 of emotion. A relationship grows closer as 2 people fall in love, or a current relationship grows much stronger. Friendships may deepen into a spiritual connection. Mutual respect and understanding exist or will develop. Don't give up on relationships that feel challenging to you, because there is still hope. Whether this is the friendship we were talking about or the lover situation that is moving into a deeper connection, that is, you are dreaming about a more futuristic connection, this could be talking about either one of those 2. Okay, let's get another answer card for you. What is the universe, or what are your angels? Angels can be in the form of any god that you pray to, or could be any angel that you particularly feel drawn to. I'm getting Archangel Uriel for some reason, or Lord Ganesha. Healer of abundance. Never doubt that you can make a difference. Your creativity and ability to innovate make you destined to succeed. It might be time to expand your career, but don't forget to leave some time, personal time, for family and friends. This situation involves a person, which is most probably you, who is down to earth with a gift for design or decorating. He or she is open-minded and nurturing. So, healer of abundance, if you are feeling not very self-worthy, if you are feeling judged unnecessarily, then this card here is your confirmation that you can make a difference just because of the person that you are. Just because of the person that you are. I am here to make a difference. I am capable of making a difference. I am open-minded and I am open to receive all the possibilities and opportunities that are coming my way. I am open to receive the abundance in love and the abundance in money that I am destined to receive, that I am capable of receiving. I believe that I can fully adjust to every situation that is presented to me. These are a few affirmations that came in the flow of this reading. I hope it resonates with you. I'm going to pick two Circle of Healing cards. Before that, I will just read it out to you. As I summon my brave and trusting heart, my soul dances towards a stunning sacred destiny. The beautiful unknown beckons. The unknown that is coming towards you in these colorful circles of healing and circles of joy. Take a minute to look at this card. Take a minute to receive its energies. As you summon all the trusting energies from the heart and use it to your highest form of well-being and love. From quiet and peaceful to rapturous and vibrant, I feast upon the sumptuous banquet of my soul's journey of rainbow wisdom. Your soul has the utmost wisdom that you will ever need in your entire life. You are constantly learning and you yearn for knowledge because your soul yearns it. Your soul has been learning so much and it wants you to open yourself to that growth, to that abundance of knowledge that you already have within you. I hope this reading resonates with you in the highest level of vibrations. Remember that I am not making your decisions. I am just giving you guidance. And from here, it is for you to decide what to do, what choice to make, what decisions to make. I am not here to tell you that this is what your future holds for you. I am here to help guide you to open your future to many opportunities and perceptions for yourself. I do take on personal readings and all the details are mentioned in the description box down below. I am always sending you so much love and so much light. Namaste.